Hello, Dent coin holders, my friends. Dent coin to the moon. Absolutely, my friends. Now, the Dent coin is start pumping and the Dent coin start explosion. Dent coin is going to the moon, my friends. Holders, are you ready to the moon? Just tell me in the comment box, my friends. Tell me, are you ready to the moon or not? Absolutely, everyone is ready to the moon, my friends. I'm just joking with all of you, my friends. My friends, at this time, you can see that the changes of the Dent coin is positive. So, absolutely, if the changes is positive, so that's mean that the huge pump. That is the huge pump. And if my friends, you know what? If the price changes is positive, so you're feeling good. Why you are feeling good? Because the prices start increasing. Because you're getting profit from a Dent coin when the price changes is positive. And absolutely, it's a profit time holders. It's a celebration time, my friends. Now the price of the Dent coin this time is 0.002396 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of the Dent coin, my friends. Furthermore, let me show you the price chart of the Dent coin. Oh my god, as you can see in the last 4 hours at this time, a very quick fast time in the Dent coin. But my friends, don't worry, that is a temporary fast. You can see now this time the gradually fast time required. You know what, my prediction is this time is positive about Dent. I'm sure that after 2 hours, after 1 hour, the price falls down more, and after some passage of time, the price will again explode. The price will again start pumping, my friends. Absolutely, they will give you profit, not loss. That is my opinion about Dent coin, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion about Dent coin? What is your prediction? Please also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.